Hello, welcome to Saturday Sampler 2021, month 9. We are going to be doing one block this month. It is block 15. It is another large block. It's going to be 27.5-inch square when we're done. We're going to have quite a few pieces to cut out. So again, on the website, you'll find the subcutting chart for block 15 right here. And if you haven't been using one of these rulers already, these Stripology rulers, I know lots of you went ahead and bought them last month when we had them on sale. That would be a great thing to do this month. Both of them, the small one and the large one, work really well to cut your squares out because we've got lots of little squares this month, and so it's super handy to cut your squares out with. So again, in your kit, you're going to have a chart that shows what size fabric you got in your kit and what size to cut for block 15. And you will have lots of extra fabric we've added on so that when you're making your half square triangles, you can cut them down with lots of space to make them exactly perfect. Other rulers that we've been using along the way, but we'll use again this month, are Bloc-Locs. And this 4-inch one works really well, but you can use any size to cut your half square triangles down, no problem. So some other products we've been using quite a bit are this Gypsy Quilter Clapper. And so we have these in the shop, and we have another brand in that we'll be selling. Really, really helpful to get those seams nice and straight. And also, I'm going to debut on our video this month, and also in our class, this new precision piecing product that we've just got in, and I really, really, really like it. So that's exciting to show you guys that. We'll also be doing have kits for you in this month's for some smaller blocks, the extra blocks. Of course, you don't need to do them to get your punches, but they are just extra. So there's 2 of those here, and you'll make 3 of these blocks here, and I think it's just 1 of these blocks here this month. And so that fabric will be in your kits packed separately. There will be a cutting chart online for this too. In this month's block, you're going to have 4 different half square triangles that you'll make up. We've named them Unit A, B, C, and D. And you'll want to keep everything really organized and very labeled this month because there's a lot of little pieces that go together. It looks a little overwhelming, but don't let it be overwhelming. It's actually a very simple block once you get it laid out. After you get these half square triangles laid out, you're going to be assembling 2 different units, Unit Y, Unit Z, and putting those together in these 4 quadrants. That's it. Just keep things labeled and laid out, and we'll show you how to do that along the way. Let's get started. Hey everybody, I wanted to demo this new product we got in, this Acorn Precision Piecing products. It comes with a pin that you put some liquid in and a refill bottle for the liquid and this glue that you can use in place of pins. What I've really liked about it is how flat it gets your seams. We even used it on our half square triangles this time, and we put it on the seam and ironed it, and it got it very flat and straight. I'll show you what we do in here now. So we're going to be putting this together, and I'm going to actually use a little bit of the glue, and anywhere I would normally put a pin, I'm just going to put a little dot of this glue. Line that up. Just iron it for a second. Now I'm going to take it to the machine and sew it. Now after we've ironed it, we've put the glue on, we've made our 1/4 inch seam. We're going to set our seam. We're going to open it up. And we're going to press our seams to one side, just in a quick press. And we're going to put a little bit of this in the pin along the seam. And we're going to watch this seam go completely flat. The wool pressing mat helps it extra sink in and go flat. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. We'll show this in a couple other spots.